This video will describe how to use the Screen Mask tool in Read and Write for the Mac desktop. This tool is used to darken a portion of the computer screen to reduce the likelihood of distraction, or it can be used to help track text while reading. The Screen Mask tool is not found on any of the pre-assigned toolbars, but can be placed on the user-defined toolbar. Refer to the Toolbar Modes video to learn how to customize a user-defined toolbar. There are 3 ways to apply a screen mask. Tint the entire screen, create a line underneath the mouse pointer, or tinting the screen while creating a line underneath the mouse pointer. Within each screen mask, it is possible to adjust the color, the opaqueness of the color tint, as well as the thickness of the line used by clicking the settings icon followed by the screen masking tab. In this first example, the full screen tint will be applied. This feature may be used to improve the reading experience for users who require a softer light. Activate the screen mask by clicking the icon. The appearance can be configured in the settings window. Click the settings icon and select the screen mask tab. Ensure that the button next to the Tint My Whole Screen text is selected. To make adjustments to the tint color, click the rectangular bar next to the text color used when masking the screen. Use the slider bar to adjust between completely black to colored options by dragging the bar towards the white end of the rectangle. Select a color using the color wheel. Match a color of any object on your computer screen by clicking the dropper tool and then clicking on the object. Save preferred colors by dragging the desired active color, as indicated by the large screen box, to one of the smaller boxes. Use the slider bar below to make adjustments to the transparency of the screen mask. Click Close to apply the settings. Change the screen mask to an underline by going back into the settings and selecting the radio button marked Underline My Mouse Pointer. The same settings will be used as before. We'll make some changes just to illustrate the different effects. Click the screen mask icon to activate the feature. Notice that a line will follow the mouse cursor. The thickness of the line can be adjusted in the settings menu. The last type of screen mask is selected by choosing the full screen tint, followed by clicking the mouse spotlight option. For this type of mask, 2 separate color selections will need to be made, one for the full screen and the other for the mouse spotlight. In this example, we'll use a black tint and white for the spotlight. You will most likely need to play around with the opaqueness settings for both the full screen tint as well as the mouse underline color to achieve the desired effect.